Hello everyone, this is Saurabh Kumar and welcome you to all class 7th mathematics. Today we are going to discuss the topic which is simplification. Okay, so and after discussing we also solve the numerical problem related to this topic. So before proceeding forward, firstly I want to tell you that in the previous video I made some small mistake, which is a question number 2 exercise 1.3 question number 2, which is verify a divided by b plus c. A divided by b plus c is not equal to a divided by b plus a divided by c. In the question, this is the expression given, but mistakenly I take this a divided by b plus in place of a. In that video, in place of a, I took b. So please correct it. This is not b, this is a. So correct this, and after correction, please solve the problem by putting the value of these a, b, a and c and verify the expression. Okay, so this is the small mistake. Now the topic is simplification. Topic is simplification. Simplification. Simplification is nothing but to solve a mathematical expression or numerical expression in which there is a number of mathematical operation like plus, minus, division, multiplication, bracket. Okay, these are all involved in the simplification problem. So this is the sign of plus. So how we solve the simplification problem? So there is a one rule which is called BODMAS rule. BODMAS. BODMAS rule. Okay. So this is B. B is a bracket. Okay, this b is a bracket. So when we solve the simplification problem, firstly we solve this bracket. Okay, firstly we solve this bracket, then this is off. Off means whenever we get a off written in the question, we simply change it into multiplication. We simply change it into multiplication. Okay, so this is D for division, and we all know that division means this, divide. Okay, so after that we solve multiplication or product, then addition, and then subtraction. Okay, whenever we get a problem, firstly we search that where is the bracket, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So after when I search that, so firstly we solve the bracket, then off by putting into sign. Okay, then division, then multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. So I take one example. Before taking example, I want to say something, that this bracket, there is a three types of bracket: this one, and this one. Okay, this is the small bracket, this is the curly bracket, and this is the square bracket. This is the square bracket. This is the square, this one is curly, and this is a small bracket, and there is one also sign used, one sign also used. This is this. This is called bar. Okay. So whenever I get all the four bracket in the question, so firstly I solved this bar. Okay. Firstly I solved this bar, then this small bracket, then this curly bracket, and finally then this square bracket. So okay, so try to understand this chronology. Firstly I solved bar, then a small bracket, then curly bracket, then a square bracket. Okay, this is also called a big bracket, this or large bracket. This is the medium bracket, or this is the small bracket. Okay, so this is all about the BODMAS rule. BODMAS. Without this rule, we can't solve the simplification problem. Now come to the exercise. Exercise 1.4. So exercise 1.4. Simplify the following question. There is a first question. 150 minus 50 divided by 5. Okay, there is a question 150 minus 50 divided by 5. So how I proceed this one? Firstly, here this is the minus subtraction sign and this is the division sign. So look here in BODMAS rule, firstly we have to solve this division, then come to subtraction, because there is a division and subtraction. Okay, so I solved first division. So 150 minus this 50 divided by 5 is 10. Okay, 5 10 ja 50, so this is 10, and 150 minus 10 is 140. This is your answer. Okay, now the second one is 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6 divided by 2 into 18. Divided by 2 into 18. Okay, so here is a plus sign, division sign, and multiplication sign. So this is addition, this is division and multiplication. So which I give the first priority? So first is division, then multiplication, then addition. So here there is a division here. So I solve this 7 plus 6 divided by 2. Firstly I solve division. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. Okay, 2 3s are 6 into 18. Okay, now after division I solved multiplication. So this is the multiplication. So I write here 7 plus 18 into 3. 18 3s are 54. So 7 plus 54 is equals to 61. So this is your answer. Okay. Now come to the next question. Question number 4. Question number 4. Third is your homework. Question number 4. 9 into 12 plus 18 divided by 6 minus 16. Okay, this is the question. 9 into 12 plus 18 divided by 6 minus 16. So here there is a division sign, multiplication sign, plus sign, and minus sign. So how I solve this? I give first priority to division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. So solve this 9 into 12 plus firstly I solve division, so 18 divided by 6, 6 3s are 18, so I write here 3 minus 16. Now after division I solve multiplication, so here it is multiplication, so 9 into 12 is 12 9s are 108 plus 3 minus 16. Okay, so after multiplication I calculate addition. I do addition, so 108 plus 3 is 111 minus 16, and 111 minus 16 is 100 minus 5, 95. So this 95 is your answer. Okay, so this is your answer, question number 4. Now come to question number 7. Before 7 I solve question number 6. Question number 6. Question number 6. Minus 15, 18 minus 2, sorry, 8 minus 2 plus 13. Minus 5, 8 minus 2 plus 13. So here there is a bracket, okay, and addition. So firstly I solve bracket. So this is minus 15, I write here minus 15. 8 minus 2 is 6 plus 13 is equal to, wherever before the bracket there is a number, okay, so whenever we get a bracket, whenever we get a number before the bracket, so I change this bracket by putting the multiplication sign in place of bracket, okay, or between this number. So I put here minus 15. In place of bracket, I put here multiplication sign. Whenever you get a number before the bracket, which means there is a multiplication sign, okay. So this is minus 15 into 6 plus 13 is equal to, this is minus, after that I get multiplication and division. So first priority I give to the multiplication. So this is minus 15 into 6 is minus 90, 15 6 are 90 plus 13. Now this is minus and this is plus. Whenever we get the opposite sign, always we do a subtraction. So 90 minus 13 is how much? 77. And what the sign I put here before 77? So this is 90 and this is 13. 90 is the greater one. So before 90 here it is minus. So I put here minus. Okay. Whenever we get the opposite sign, we directly subtract the number. Or whenever we get the same sign, either it is negative or either it is positive, so we do addition, and after addition we put the sign there. Okay. So this is the question number 6. Question number 6. Now come to question number 7. Question number 7 is 18 into minus 5 plus 3 bracket close divided by 3. Okay. Bracket 18 into minus 5 plus 3 division 3. So here is a bracket, then multiplication, addition. So firstly I solve bracket. So here in bracket there is also a 2 bracket. One is curly bracket and one is a small bracket. So firstly I give the priority to the small bracket. So I solved a small one firstly. Okay. I solved a small one firstly. So this is minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. So this is minus 2. And divided by 3. Now this is minus 2 into 18. So small bracket, after small bracket I give the priority to curly bracket. So I solve within the curly bracket. So this is 18 into minus 2 is minus 36 divided by 3. This is minus 36 divided by 3. So division 36 divided by 3 is 12 3s are 36, and what sign is here? Minus. So I put minus here. So minus 12 is your answer. Okay. This is question number 7. Now question number 9. Now question number 9 is minus 3 minus of minus 46 divided by minus 23 plus minus 3 5. Okay, so how we solve this? There is a sign minus, division and plus. Okay, so firstly we perform a division because in BODMAS rule first is division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. So I do here firstly a division. So this is minus 3, this is minus, so minus 46 divided by minus 23. So 46 divided by 23 is 2. 23 2s are 46, and what the sign before this 2? There is plus sign, because here there is negative and there is negative, so cancel out both this sign. So minus 3 minus 2 plus minus 3 into 5. Okay, into 5, minus 3 into 5. In the previous question I told that whenever we get a bracket and after bracket or before bracket there is a number, so simply put there a multiplication sign. Okay, so this is minus 3 minus 2 plus this is minus 3 and 5 is minus 15. Okay, 5 into 3 is 15, and before 15 I put a sign minus because there is only one minus sign. So this is minus 3 minus 2 and this plus minus minus 15. So this is minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5, and this is minus 15. So this is minus 20. Okay, this is minus 3 and minus 2. Look, here is a similar sign, so simply I add this to 1. So 3 plus 2 is 5 and put a sign of minus, so I put the minus, and here this is minus 15. Again there is a similar sign, so simply I add this 2. So 15 plus 5 is 20 and put the sign of negative because both are negative. So this is question number 9. Okay. Now question number 10. Come to the question number 10. Come to question number 10. Minus 5 plus curly bracket start minus 4 plus 1 plus 4 minus 6 bracket close plus 8. Okay, this is the question. So how I proceed this? There is a bracket. So firstly I solve bracket because there is a first preference in BODMAS rule to bracket. So firstly I solve bracket. So in bracket there is also a small bracket. So firstly I prefer a small bracket, then curly bracket. Okay, so this is minus 5 plus minus 4 plus 1 plus this is 4 minus 6. So this is under the small bracket. So firstly I solved this one. So 4 minus 6 is minus 2. So I write simply here minus 2 plus 8. Okay. So now this is minus 5 plus this is the curly bracket, and inside the curly bracket there is a minus 4 plus 1 and plus minus 2. So this is minus 4 plus 1. This is minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3, and minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5 plus this is minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3, and this is minus 2. So this is minus 5 plus minus 3 and minus 2 is minus 5. So I write here minus 5 is equal to this minus 5 and plus minus 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 5 is equal to minus 10 is your answer. Okay. So this is question number 10. Now question number 11, 12, 13, 14 all are your homework. I solved last question, question number 15. Okay. All the remaining questions are your homework. All the remaining questions are your homework. I lastly solved the last question, which is question number 15, and the question is 4 plus 3 minus curly bracket start 2 plus small bracket start 3 minus 8 minus 3, and there is a bar. Okay, and this is closed by square bracket. Look, this is the square bracket, then curly bracket, then a small bracket. So and last one is bar. So firstly I give the preference to bar. So firstly I solve this bar one. So I write as it is all the things 3 minus 2 plus 3 minus. So firstly I prefer a bar. So this is 8 minus 3. So 8 minus 3 is what? 5. Simply I solve this 5. Okay, now this is 4. Now I solve small bracket. So this is 3 minus 2 plus. So 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Curly bracket close. So this is 2 plus minus 2. So I write here 4 plus 3 minus this is 2 plus minus this is. Okay. So 2 minus 2 is 0. 4 plus 3 and minus this is 2 minus 2 is 0. So I put here 0, and this is 4 plus 3 is equal to 7 is your answer. Okay. So finally I get the 7. So this is your answer, and this is all about the exercise 1.4, which is simplification. Here I only know this rule. This is BODMAS, bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Hope you all understand what I want to say and how I solved all this problem. In case of any doubt, please put a comment in the comment box, so I try to solve all your doubt. So this is the end of the video. Thank you and have a great day.